ForeverGreen farm, and we wanted to show you what we're up to today. Sheeta, maybe go in on this plant. This is the ginger plant that we've been growing, and these stalks are really good to use. You can use them in soups. They're really flavorful. If you rub the leaves, you can smell the ginger. But we have a whole row, so we are going to be harvesting it today. We'll bring some to market. We're going to be brewing a lot of kombucha and some ginger beer, so there's a lot of cool things coming from this little row here. So let's dig one up. Maybe show them this guy. Wow. So a lot of people are surprised to find that you can really grow a lot of ginger. So what started as a little nub right there turned into Alright, Sheeta, so I'm going to scroll through and pick the font, and you're going to read the mushroom, or read the sentence, how you think the word sounds.
Shiitake mushroom.
Shiitake mushrooms!